Okay, perform each dilation given the pre-image with a given center of dilation. So we're going to dilate these images. What helps is to draw our center as 0, 0 in it. So if you draw your vanishing point lines right here, right here, that's on the same vanishing point line, isn't it? Okay, and then right here. Okay, and we wanted a 1/4. Now then, how do we get to this dot? We go over 4 and up 8, don't we? Over 4, up 8. What's 1/4 of 4? So to get to this dot, you go over 4, up 8. What's 1/4 of 4? It's 1, isn't it? What's 1/4 of 8? It's 2, right? So do you see how this dot is going to get slid down to right here, isn't it? Now then, how do you get to this dot? You go over 1, 2, 3, 4 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You go over 4, up 4. What's 1/4 of 4 and 4? 1, 1, right? So this dot would end up down here. See how the dots slide down? Now then, how do you get to this dot? You go over 6 and up 6. What's 1/4 of that? Over 1.5, up 1.5. This dot ends up right here. How do you get to this dot? You go over 8 and up 8. Over 8 and up 8. What's 1/4 of 8 and 8? 2 and 2. So we're going to go over 2, up 2. We'll end up right here. And then lastly, how do you get to this dot? You go over 8 and up 4. Over 8 and up 4. What's 1/4 of 8 and 4? It's over 2 and up 1, which will end up right here. Notice that our M shrinks, doesn't it? So our new M is right here in it. And notice how these dots stay on the vanishing point lines. Okay, and it just shrinks down. Now then, over here, our center of dilation is -4, 8. So let's put a dot at -4, 8. That's going to be where we draw our lines to. So let's draw and connect all these vertices to this line. And we're going to connect this one. And then we're going to connect this one. These dots are going to slide up the line. Since the scale factor is less than 1, the Y is going to shrink and slide to this. Now then, how far is it from here to this dot? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 3/4 of 4 is 3 in it. So we're going to go over 3 and draw the new dot right here. How far is it from here to here? It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's 3/4 of 12? It's 8 in it. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and draw another dot. So this dot shrunk to here and that dot shrunk to here. Now then, we got to figure out what we do to go down and over. We go down 1, 2, 3, 4 and we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's 3/4 of 4? It's 3. And what's 3/4 of 8? It's 6. So if we go down 3 and over 6, we end up right here, don't we? See how this dot stays on that vanishing point line. Now then, how do we get from here to here? We go down 8 and over 8. Down 8 and over 8. What's 3/4 of that? 6 and 6, right? So down 6 and over 6, and boom, we end up right on this vanishing point line. Notice how these dots shrank on the vanishing point line. So now we have our new Y right here, don't we?